Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have here a EasyY 43 inches LED television. The problem of this LED television is no picture. Totally blank screen. Take a look, the TV have a standby light indicator. Now, I will press the power button switch. Observe the LED television screen. The LED television power on, but there was no display or picture. The model of this LED television is EasyY LED for 3D306. The back of the TV is open. Always visually check all the TV components, check the top board, the timing control board and the main board. The board used to this 43 inches LED TV is called a combi board. The power supply and the main processing unit is joined together in the same PCB board. As you notice, many of the electrolytic capacitor is bloated. The 200 volts 33 microfarad, the 25 volts 470 microfarad, the 16 volts 470 microfarad and 10 volts 470 microfarad are bloated electrolytic capacitor. Unmount the board to the metal frame. Looks like it's overheated and burned PCB board. I checked the LED driver IC, it's shorted. The best thing to do is replace this whole board to avoid back job. I have here a same board, but this board is used to 40 inches. But don't worry. 40 to 45 inches EasyY LED TV board are same data and program, so it's easy to replace. No need to access the factory setting. It's plug and play. Let's mount the board and put back all the wire and LVDS cable. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you updated. You can also help this channel by sharing this video. Thank you. Now, let's plug in the EasyY 43 inches LED television. The board is perfectly working, and I've noticed that The backlight of this LED TV is now working. Now, let's check the screen if there a picture or not. Notice, it's have a picture now and it's in the blue screen mode. But I notice another problem. Observe the TV screen. The top of the screen is flickering and has a horizontal lines. Now, remove the ribbon flex one by one to locate or determine which side of the panel is damaged or shorted gate signal. Usually, the cause of the flicker of the screen is the swapping voltage. Plug in the TV and observe the TV screen. The screen is divided into two. The white side of the screen is the one we hang the ribbon. The black one is connected, notice. There is no flicker and horizontal lines appear in the screen. Unplug the TV and put back the ribbon that hanged. And hang the other one and observe once again the TV screen. The white sides have a purple color or have discoloration. And it's fading. Now, we know where the side of the panel has a problem. The horizontal lines appear. This side has a problem. I think all of you are familiar to this method, yes. We're going to do the tape method. Take a look closer to this ribbon flex, notice that dark line. It seems like some of the lines are burned. Now, block 12 lines and let's try the TV. Once again, you can help this channel by subscribing and sharing this video. The moment of truth. Let's plug in the TV and let's see what happened to the TV screen. The picture is okay now, thanks to magic tape. Let's observe the picture. No more flicker and horizontal lines. It's because of the holy magic tape that makes money joke. It's all because of the talent of the technician. Let's final test the Easy Y 43 inches LED television. The TV is perfectly working now. This is Jovid Tech PH again. Thank you for watching.